Hey, fourth and fifth graders. It was so great to spend time with you in Miss Wan's class today. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Mr. Massimino, and I'm going to just quickly go over some of the things that you can do in Microsoft Teams that Miss Wan talked about today in class. So let's take a look. Look at our icon bar up top. This is where you can kind of have options. So first thing I'm going to do is show you how to turn your camera on and off. You find the old looking camera, it even says turn camera off, click it, your picture goes away. When you're asked to mute your microphone, remember one mic, one speaker, and we want to have respect for that person, just like you want others to have respect for your voice. We go to our microphone, we turn it off. You notice that a line goes through the microphone, and that means I'm muted. When I have somebody in the background that might be distracting, or I'm just having a really rough day, I can always turn my camera off, and the line went through it. When I'm asked to raise my hand when I have a question, I find the hand up top, and I click on it, and it changes color. And if I want to see who's in the class, well, that's the participants. And right now I'm the only one that's in the meeting. And you can see when my hand is up, I also show my hand next to my name so that Miss Wan or another teacher, maybe it's Mr. Davis, myself, Miss Zinez, we know that you have a question. And now I've clicked on my hand and it went away. When I want to chat, I see show conversation. I can see the chat. Maybe I want to say hello to Miss Wan. Hello, Mrs. Wan. Thank you for a great first day. And I can send it. And now it's in the chat. Let's see. The last thing that we can share about is when we want to leave, we look for the rectangle that's red, and we want to click the word leave. Don't click the X, click the word leave. So, participants shows you who's in the meeting with you. Comment box, I want to ask a question without interrupting or say hello to my friends. Hand raising, I need to raise my hand, and when I'm in participants, I can see who has their hand raised. Don't worry about breakout rooms, that's for your teacher. You know what else? Look at this. Gallery. Gallery means that you can see a couple of students in your class and the speaker. Large gallery means you can see everybody that has their camera on, but the squares are a little bit smaller so that all of your classmates can fit on the screen. Together mode means that you get to see all your classmates that have their camera on sitting in chairs like they're in a class or on a field trip. It's kind of fun. I don't have those two right now because it's just me in this meeting. So if you have a teacher that asks you to go to together mode, you would find it in the 3 dots. You can also find how to change your background. It's right here. Apply background effects. When I click on it, Microsoft Teams already has some choices for me. Maybe I want to be at the beach relaxing. I click on the picture and I click apply. Whoa, I'm at the beach. Maybe I want to be at a party, a balloon party. I click on it, I apply, And now I'm lost in some balloons and I'm having a good time. So you can change your background. Maybe there's people in your house and you want to have some privacy. So you choose a background. All right. So I hope that this is helpful. When you have a question about Teams, please come to this video and hopefully it will be able to support you. Thanks again for a great day.